Hello, so it is after 4 p.m. It's about 4:15 on this Monday, January 15th, MLK Day. The sun is pushing out. This area, the sun leaves it first, so I'm gonna go ahead and start on it. Have to take my mom to Hobby Lobby. This is my homemade Dormat soap. Oopsie. Soap spray. Sorry. So this is a 2-gallon container. Chapman. For 2 gallons, I used 2 tablespoons. Motorcycle. Sorry. I used 2 tablespoons of baking soda, 4 tablespoons of canola oil, and then I just poured in Castile soap, and I actually just added some more Castile soap. The reason why is because soap tends to dissipate. You notice when you wash the dishes and the suds and stuff go away. So I added a little bit more Castile soap. The recipe did not give me an amount. So usually you would use like a tablespoon of baking soda per gallon. So I did per gallon, so I doubled everything. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start spraying my other trees. Looks like we're having a little problem with the pump. I'll be right back with you. that 2 gallons was literally enough. I was almost done spraying the I think that's the navel orange, and it's out. This Chapman pump is a good pump. I open it to see, you know how sometimes there may be residual water in there. There's nothing. All I see is like some dry suds at the bottom. So that is the end of me spraying my fruit trees for this season. I'll probably do it again one more time at the end of this month or beginning of February. I did see some dead branches back here that I'm going to get real quick. But yeah, that is it. I'm going to say this is my second Chapman container. I have one that's usually a smaller one that you usually see me fertilize with. This is a good product. This is a really good product. I'm going to keep it, of course, for future use. I have another container back there. I still haven't thrown it away. I need to throw it away. But yeah, this is a really good product. And I'm also going to try to use this clay. There is a gardener on YouTube. He's in New Jersey, and he puts it's something clay. Miss Linda was talking about it on Sunday Night Live. And I've seen this guy use it, and all his fruit is protected. So I'm going to go to one of his videos and look it up. And I'm also, before I post this video, I'm going to make sure that I put Miss T-Nog's live for Sunday and also this gentleman's video link in the video, because she mentioned the clay and this guy uses the clay. I'm going to see if I can find one of his videos so you guys can see it. But I'm going to order that clay, and I'm going to be throwing it on my fruit this summer. So that is it. All of my trees have been sprayed with the Dormat Spray, which is, if you're doing a gallon, it's a gallon of water, a tablespoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of oil. You can use any oil. You can use neem oil. I use canola, and Castile soap, maybe about a cup of Castile soap. It doesn't give me the measurement for the soap. I used a 2-gallon Chapman sprayer, and so you just double the ingredients, and I added more soap in there today. So all of the trees have been sprayed. Like I said, I'm about to get over here. I've seen a couple of dead branches on the lime tree and a broken branch on my Babcock nectarine. So I'm gonna go ahead, get that, cut it, and I'm done for today. So as I always say, please find peace within yourself. Please be peaceable with those around you. I love you all. Have a fantastic evening. Bye.